When you are ready to publish your quiz and share it with the world, this is what you're going to want to do. Over here in the top right, click on publish, and then you definitely want to hit publish changes. So this means anything that you've updated here in the builder is going to reflect on the way you're sharing your quiz, whether that be through a link or directly on your website through an embed code. If you were making changes in the builder and you weren't ready to set those changes live yet, you would want to hit save and exit. And that would save any changes that you're working on within the builder, but those changes wouldn't be reflected live yet. So for here, we want to hit publish changes because we are ready to share our quiz. So publish changes will pop open this box for you where you can copy a link to your quiz. You can grab an embed code right here to embed it on your website or maybe a landing page. And then there are some options down below that you can play with. So disabling a cover page on the quiz would take your quiz cover page away. But then, like, let's say you create on your landing page or on your website, you have an image that shows the quiz cover of your liking, you've something you've created. You could have them click into the quiz and then automatically open to question one rather than seeing another version of that cover page from the Interact Builder. Opening a new quiz tab on mobile devices, and then even adjusting the embed size. If you wanted to set up your quiz as an announcement bar, so on your website, but at a bar right at the top of your screen, you can do that here in the announcement bar tab. So again, you have code to copy or email to a developer if someone is setting this up for you. And then same thing down at the bottom, you have some customizable options so that you can change the color of the announcement bar, the font, or the color of the button you're using. You can even put a delay or a hiatus on it. So if you don't want the announcement bar to appear right away, you can set a delay on it. Or if they're coming back to your page, let's say tomorrow, and you don't want them to see the link that frequently, or that announcement bar that frequently, you could set a hiatus to it. So again, just more customizable options on setting up the announcement bar here. And you could even click preview for a preview of exactly what it would look like. And then we also have a pop-up option. So same thing, right at the top of that screen, you'll get the code to copy or email to a developer, and then you can play around with what that pop-up looks like, preview it, and add a rule to it so that it does exactly what you need it to do.